Hello, everybody. My name is Tulmak Madenci, and I'm going to present my Physics 180 term project. My project is about black holes, and I'm sharing screen. Here there is. I'm reading the definition. Black hole is called the area in the space the matter and light cannot escape due to its very high gravitational force. Black holes actually have a very huge gravitational force in order to catch the objects and lights in it. Uh, because of that, we accept it is a very powerful body in the space. The density is very high in black holes. According to kinds of black holes, its mass might be very, very, very high. And directional directional behind why those hole named with black is black holes don't radiate or reflect light because of that everywhere in that area seems black. First idea about black hole present by John Mitchell in 18th century. Uh, Dark stars, which even light can't escape. He described dark stars uh, as 5 times bigger than sun has a density. After that, Carl Schwarzschild published a solution for Einstein's relativity, Einstein's questions with using black holes. Black holes first time in 1960 seen thanks to Uhuru satellite. Black hole is a astrophysical body. Actually, there's no proper definition about it. Scientists still working on it. It is very hard to say exact things about what is black hole, what is exact features of black hole. We don't properly what is it for now, but they really working on it, especially today. In the when we look at the kinds of black hole, there are two classifications actually about that. One of them is according to their electric charge, momentum, and angular momentum and mass. In other words, angular momentum is spin. We accept the mass is positive in every black hole. Because of that, the parameter is angular momentum and electric charge. There are 4 types of it: Schwarzschild black hole, Kerr black hole, Reisner-Nordström black hole, and Kerr-Newman black hole. In the second classifications, according to their features actually and size. One of them is stellar, which is created by a star. That star, which star's lifetime is ended. Secondly, miniature, intermediate, and supermassive. As I said, these three kinds, miniature, intermediate, and supermassive, is according to their size. There are dozens of miniature ones, but there are less than supermassive one, miniature one, supermassive. And Actually, in the past, they don't accept scientists don't accept there are intermediate black holes. However, after a while, they accept that they actually observe the intermediate black holes. Um, there are some areas around and inside the black hole. One of them is the event horizon, which is briefly the impact area of a black hole around the hole. For example, if there is some object in that area in event horizon, the black hole catch it and get it inside. And uh, singularity, it is actually shows that there is a center in the black hole. The impact is beginning here. All the dragging force dragging force source is there. Photosphere is about the photons area, as I say. How can I explain? It is actually, I can read it. Photosphere is a boundary that rotating photons around the black hole will stack on. That boundary is against a circular orbit. There is ergosphere. Ergosphere is an area that standing stable is impossible. You can't stay stable in here because the force, the effect is very high in that area. In order to uh, staying stable, you should move at least more than speed of light, which is impossible actually. There's ISCO. ISCO is a circular orbit. ISCO is a circular orbit that rotation orbit that under the orbit that object under the impact. Objects are rotating in an orbit because of black hole. Location is ISCO. Location of ISCO depends on the rotation of black hole. In rotating black holes, and I'm checking. That's all for now. Actually, as I said in the beginning, uh, scientists are working on black holes from the past, and some people are waiting for black holes make save us. I don't know if it is possible, but we can say that they have very huge energy. Thank you for listening.